All right, we're on Brooklyn Diamonds Family Jewels. Mother's Day. Lally, Mother's Day. It's Mother's Day. Alessandro, it's Mama's Day. All right. To all of our followers on Mother's Day, we're about to do a Sunday brunch for my caramel queen. And we're going to Willow Springs, and we're gonna have a nice brunch. It's gonna be beautiful. On Brooklyn Diamonds Family Jewels. Happy Mother's Day, sweetheart.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there.
It's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Super, super beautiful woman. Look at my handsome baby boy. Look at my handsome baby boy. Look at my handsome baby boy. Alessandro, look at daddy.
Next time we're going to a beach.
Next time we go to the beach.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we'll go to the beach next time. It's all good.
I don't think it was this hot last year.
No,
Yeah.
no. It's hot.
Can we turn the air conditioner on?
Do you have an air? Oh, I was like, yes, please.
I'm sorry. I'll be quiet.
This is what we call nature at its finest.
So you ready?
Let's do it.
The area we're going to is really beautiful.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, you've been already?
I know I've just seen pictures, and it's
Oh, yeah?
it's breathtaking. It's like,
On a couple of times,
oh, have you?
and it's like
You okay,
nice
Marcus?
and shaded, nice cool little.
yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's perfect.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm excited now.
Yeah. How's the brunch? Is brunch pretty good?
It's yeah.
Pretty good.
It's decent, you know?
Decent. Okay. Well, it's all about the memories, right?
Yeah.
It's all about the memories. Happy Mother's Day. Alessandro, we're on the train.
We were doing a trip going up to Latrobe a number of years ago with cars like this. Actually, we had speeders, which are smaller cars.
Okay.
And we were going up there for the pancake breakfast that they were having at the community center.
Okay.
We got partway up there and we broke down.
Oh, wow.
We were right near a road, so we called one of our other volunteers. He ran off to some restaurant and
Oh,
got
my God.
takeout breakfast for everybody.
For what? For everybody? Really?
For everybody.
Oh, that's cool.
And we came out on the tracks and everybody was just sitting down on the grass and on the tracks and they loved it. They
And
thought it
just
was-
enjoyed their breakfast.
they thought it was fantastic.
That's beautiful. That's cool. That's, hey, sometimes things happen,
Yeah.
you know? This is nice. We have a YouTube channel, so it's called Brooklyn Diamonds Family Jewels. And so all of our memories, everything that we do, holidays, everything goes on
Okay, cool.
our YouTube channel. So everybody's on our YouTube channel. Brooklyn Diamonds Family Jewels. Yeah.
Oh, she said, what's the name?
It's Brooklyn Diamonds Family Jewels.
Alright, alright.
Diamonds family.
Jewels, yeah. We got like 600 followers, something like that.
Oh, wow.
You'll have 600.
A few little people, you know.
Hey, you gotta start somewhere, right?
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. It's just a channel for my family. You know, when we go places, we do things, you know, like this, or holidays, birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, everything, you know. Because life is, you know, it's too short, and so you gotta, you know, commemorate all the memories, and that's why we have these.
Yep. Document.
So I document everything.
I watched the First Amendment auditors.
What's that?
First Amendment auditors.
Oh, yeah.
Ever watch those?
No. What is?
Hey, you got 626 followers.
Oh, okay, 626.
That
Nice.
was fast. You found me fast.
Nice.
Okay, mommy's in.
I'm just glad I wore my waterproof last year.
All right. To be continued. Be continued when we get to the actual brunch. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, and a special Happy Mother's Day to my sister Amy, who has to work today. Sorry. And then an extra special Happy Mother's Day to my mother. May you rest in paradise. I know you're looking down on us. Love you, Mom.